Hello and welcome to Sujna Digital Space Studio. Today we have a very exciting news. So coming to the first article of today, travel warning for the US visa holders. Here the important news for the who are staying, the Indians in the America. Here US has issued a fresh advices for H1B F1 for a green card holder. So here the going to the abroad and coming in here is going to be delay on this and the putting of the scrutiny. If you or your contacts have been holding this visa, stay updated. So coming to the second article of today, US stock market have surges on the trade top. So here Wall Street rallies have happening. So why are they happening? So due to the high tariffs of the Trump, the experts and the scientists are telling to reduce the tariffs for the Trump economy and the trade policies here, global trade and the economic policies as well. So coming to the third article of today, Venezuela migrants have deported on US that legal debate controversy over the US contributions. So here 200 Venezuelans have been sent through the first flight here, and this is raising the concerns over, and US judge have concluded the World War II of Nazis, and Nazis had the more legal rights on this than these migrants. A key point for the human rights here. So coming to the fourth article of today, South India's tax share debate. So here farmer who is Shashi Tharoor have been raised that southern states want to give more taxes, and he even argued on this to pay the higher taxes from the southern states. The states are directed to the UPSC talks like Finance Commission and the fiscal federalism. So coming to the fifth article of today, the US President Donald Trump have stated that from the Monday, the countries who are exporting the oil from the Venezuela, exporting and imports from the oil in the Venezuela have been take a very important role here, and they have to pay extra tariffs of rupees 25% of the daily tax paying, and the Trump is this way. So coming to the seventh article of today, the US government has alleged that the student at the Columbia University who is taken a pro-Palestine ads in the university, Mohammed Khalil his name, that he worked for a United Nations Palestinian Relief Agency that was reported in the passport of his and the visa application, saying that it should be grounded for the deportation. So coming to the seventh article of today, here new Canadian Prime Minister who is Mark Carney have been agreed for the first call to the Trump US President, but would do so on our terms as a sovereign country. So coming to the eighth article of today, several residents of the Los Angeles have been killed and criticized that who were deadly accused by the Palisades wildfire sued city authorities over claim that it's gonna be happen. Municipal utility power lines ignited the fires. These are said by the lawsuit. So coming to the 10th article of today, fire prevention is one of the several roles wild horses play in preserving Spain's ecosystem. To delicate the Spain's ecosystem, the scientist says, but Europe's largest herd of the wild horses has dwindled more than the half of it, and that the 22,000 have roamed in the 1970s. So these are the articles today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Sujna Digital Space Studio. Thank you for joining us.